Hello everyone! This is me, Mamaha, and together with me is baby Aina. We'll be going to Luxent Hotel, of course with Daddy Daryl to celebrate our wedding anniversary. So tara, Gina, let's go! Come on, say let's go! Let's go! Ito diba? Masya naman. Exit.
Entry naman ang kabila namin.
Exit nga naman.
Yan me.
Napipitin yung ano kanina, hirap sundan eh.
Siguro yan yung kukuha.
Hi! Hi,
Saan tayo?
Ground. So, we're here at Luxent Hotel. So, this is located here in Timog, in Quezon City. Okay, so, ganda ng mga lights nila. Then, ito yung view along the road, no? So, as you can see, doon sa bandang part na yon, andun yung rotonda. Ayan, yung rotonda ng, I think this is a Boy Scout na rotonda in Timog, no? So, let's go inside. So, upon entering, so we have here a very huge Christmas tree. So, as you can see, ramdam na yung Christmas. Then, I think this is one of their cafeteria. See? Then, this is their reception. So, upon checking in, dito muna ayusin yung room reservation. So for the room reservation, and we also need to prepare 2,000 deposit per night. So ano naman ito, i-refund naman siya once na mag-check out na and wala naman kahit anong damages. So as we walk along, as you can see, we have this huge receiving area as well. So there's a piano. Then yan. So Pasko na. Kita natin dito is yung kanilang Christmas village. And their ceiling as well. It's very pleasing to see, no? Morning po. Good afternoon pala. Sorry. Good afternoon po. So, pag maglalahad pa tayo dito na yung kanilang garden cafe. So, this is where we will eat our dinner buffet later. Then, just to add lang din, ito yung kanilang schedule for their all-day dining buffet. So, for breakfast, that is 6:30 a.m. till 10 a.m. Then, for lunch naman, 11:30 till 2:30 p.m. And for dinner, 6 p.m. till 9 p.m. So, for this restaurant, they also have this rule when it comes to dress. So, this applies to all guests, including kids and adults. So, yan yung mga kailangang i-wear once na pupunta na dito sa restaurant. So, this is the hallway. Papunta po sa aming room. Ayan. So, naririnig ko na yung anak ko. Our room is 12. So, let's have a room tour. Ayan. So, pagpasok dito na agad yung malaking cabinet. So, pag open, ayan, may sabitan ng damit. May ilang hanger. Then, meron din safety deposit box. Meron din lagayan ng for laundry. Then, of course, may dalawang sleepers dito. Ayan. Then, I think may extra pang pillow dito sa taas. Ayan. Then, nandito na yung mga gamit namin. Ayan. Ayan. Hi ka, Daddy. Hi. Then, dito naman sa comfort room. Ayan, may toilet. Of course, may bidet. Nandyan ang phone. And then, ang toilet paper. Ang towels. Then, meron ding vanity mirror. Then, okay naman ang water. Lakas naman siya. Then, meron din ditong bath soap. Dental kit. Then, hair dryer. Glasses, tissue. Hi, Aina! Okay, then, dito yung conditioner, body wash, and shampoo ng Luxen. So, come here na. Then, andito na yung anong tawag dito? Anong tawag dito? Yung kettle, ayan, yung cup. And then, meron din dito mga coffee, tea, dyan yung sugar, then, andyan din yung glasses. Then, meron din dito maliit na refrigerator. Okay, I think may mga bayad na to kapag gagalawin natin or gagamitin. Then, ito pa, naman, mga lagayan lang din. Then, another storage. This one, another storage din. And here is our room. Okay, so dito sa gilid, meron lang reminder na no smoking. And, okay, I think this is a clock. Then, meron ding ilaw both sides. Then, telephone. Then, meron din dito ang sofa. Hi, Aina! Say hi! Then, meron ding center table. Then, ito naman yung working area. Ayan. So, we can also order food from them. Andito din yung mga list ng food that we can order and drinks as well. So, meron dito for breakfast. And, andito din yung mga juices, milkshakes, Filipino favorites. So, included din siya dito. And, ayan. So, our welcome letter from Luxen. So, that's it. Meron pa pala. Ayan, meron ding TV, syempre. And then, to add, ito pa pala ang aming view from our room. So, ano bang lugar to? Timog, ayan. Then, of course, yung view ng Quezon City. Okay, so that's it. So, we're now headed to our dinner buffet. Aina, say hi! So, we're going down to ground floor. So, dito na tayo sa dinner buffet. So, we have here pancit. Beef broccoli, chicken adobo. I think medyo maanghang yan. Then, pork in sarap, hasab. And we have here onion, mushroom, garlic, station. This is for the pasta station wherein you can create your own pasta. Kung ano man yung gusto mong style. So we have different pastas here and different sauces. Then we also have here the I think this is the pizza station pero wala pang nakalagay, no? And also have here mashed potato, buttered vegetables, roasted chicken mushroom, the beef stew, pork loin. And we also have here the nauna na sa dessert station, no? Ito yung kanilang dessert. And if you want to make your own coffee, meron din dito. And the pastries. We have carrot cake, strawberry cake, and blueberry cake. You can also make your own Caesar salad. It's the salad station. Andiyan din ang mga sauces. The salad station. Then, of course, meron din seafood cooking service. Dito ang mga seafoods. Then, ito rin yung mga maki, sushi, sashimi. We also have here the dim sum station. The dim sum station. And dito rin yung mga bread. Dito rin may maha blanca, asahi, and of course their drinks. So we also have here tempura, tempura sauce, cream of corn, tinolang tahong, and different sauces. For this area, we can make our own noodle soup. So, it's up to us no, kung ano yung mga ingredients na gusto natin ilagay, even the sauces. Then, we can give it na lang doon sa chef. Then, we have here the bangus, lechon belly, and yung lechon na paubos na. Welcome back to our channel. Good morning. It's our first morning here at Luxent Hotel. So, alam niyo naman, pag nasa bahay, diba, tulog pa. Pero pag sa hotel, laban na sa buffet. Diba, anak? So, later on, bababa na kami for our breakfast buffet. And ipapakita namin yung mga food sa inyo. We'll share it with you guys. So, see you later. We're back here again at the Garden Cafe to have our breakfast buffet. So let's check the menu. We have here corned beef and pork hamonado. Then next we have here the danggit. Next we also have here the vegetable okonomiyaki. Then here is the egg station. We can request from them, no, omelette ba or sunny side up. Then we also have here the hash brown, potato wedges. Then dito naman sa bandang side na to, andito naman ang baked beans. Then andito naman ang vegetables. Then we also have fish and chips and the omelette. So, going to this side, we have here the cereal station. And pwede tayong gumawa ng sariling cereal food natin. Andyan din ang fresh milk. Then, andito naman yung different pastries. Then, we can make our own coffee as well. Then, in this area naman, we can request for our crepe. So, yan yung different sauces or different dip that we can request from them. Then, dito din yung mga bread. Yan. So, pwede natin yung i-heat doon. Then, dito naman sa side na to, andito naman yung chicken sopas. And, ito yung cream of corn. Yan, yung chicken sopas na gustuhan yan talaga ni Aina. Then, dito naman, we have here the dim sum station. Andyan po ang ating siopaw. Then, next to this, ito ulit yung noodle station. We can ask the chef, depende kung ano yung mga ingredients na gusto natin ilagay. Then, meron tayong nilagang mais, then fried rice, then tocino, and the steamed rice. Going back to the breads. Ayan. So, meron din naman na dito mga na-heat na, kaya lang ubos na, no? Ang natira dito is yung French toast. Ayan. Then, different dips or jam. Then, dito naman sa side na to are the fruits. So, we have pineapple and oranges. Then, dito naman sa side na to, we have here breads as well as the different types of cheese and yung mga pwede pa nating ipalaman. Then, we also have here the salad station wherein we can make our own Caesar salad. Next, we have here the juices. Medyo paubos na since late kami. Then, we have here the ginataang saging. Then, the maha blanca, cassava cake, bread pudding, caramel bar, and blueberry. Ayan, nakuha na kami ng food. Ito muna. Kasi Aina gusto niya ng bread. Hi, Aina! Hi, Daddy. Ayan. So, ito yung mga amenities dito sa Luxent Hotel. So, pupuntahan namin yung swimming pool. 17th floor. Okay. So, dito na tayo sa 17th floor, sa pool area ng Luxent Hotel. So, here are the pool rules ng hotel. So, pwede nyo na lang itong screenshot. And, of course, we are required to wear our swimming attire. So, according sa staff dito, under renovation pa daw yung another pool kasi alam namin ay dalawa talaga yung pool ng Luxent, pero for now ang open lang is itong sa 17th floor. So ito pala yung mga swimming attire if wala tayong dala. So kuya, ito pwedeng bilhin? Pwede pong bilhin?
Ito po, for sale.
Okay. So ito for sale.
Ito, free towel po.
Ayan. So ito yung mga free towels. Oh, ayan. So, kung wala tayong mga swimming attire, pwede tayong bumili dyan. And, meron tayo ditong play area. Ayan na si Aina. Aina! Ayan, nag-play na yung anak ko. Natuwa! Tuwa yung bata! 1, 2, yay! And, ito yung mga area kung saan pwede mag-stay yung mga guests. Yan. Ito yung pool area. So, ang ganda din. And here's the view from the pool area. Itong Timog area, Quezon City. And meron din dong pool bar. Yan. If you want to buy some drinks habang nagre-relax, enjoy, then we can do so, no? That's it. Ayan. Yung anak namin ay nag-enjoy pa din. Si Buaka, ang kanyang favorite na stuffed toy, nilagay niya lang dito. So, yung ano pala, oo nga first time ni Aina kasing mag-play sa ganitong area. Di pa namin kasi siya inaalaw, so makipag-interact no, sa mga other kids sa play area kasi syempre ang dami ring mga may sakit ngayon. So technically ngayon lang talaga siya nakapaglaro sa ganitong area. So ito, puntahan lang natin yung kanilang bar. So if you want to order some drinks, so we can do so. Ayan, so si Baby Aina, hinayaan na lang muna namin siya ni Daddy Daryl na mag-enjoy at mag-play dito sa play area kasi first time niya lang din naman gawin ito. So I think this ends our vlog, our very first vlog as a family. So we are glad, we're happy to share this moment with you. So here in GFam, we capture moments and we create memories. So, thank you for watching. I hope na sa mga susunod pang vlogs ay andyan pa rin kayo at nanonood pa rin sa amin. So, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit nyo na rin ang notification button. Thank you! Bye!